As you might have guessed, this is not Windows Vista, but this is Windows 10. We're gonna take a look at changes that are made in this mod. Starting with the desktop. From the first sight, this is really resembling Windows Vista by the desktop background, the icons, as well as the taskbar. This mod is even more resembling Windows Vista when you look at the Start menu by clicking the Start button. Other than how the Start menu overlaps the Start button and recent program list inaccuracies, this is very Windows Vista-ish with the same right side of the Start menu. The only differences seen in here being the power and lock buttons, which are slightly brighter in this mod than Windows Vista if I remember correctly. By looking at the taskbar, it seems like the taskbar is perfect, but jump list and arrow peak are noticeably missing due to retro bus limitations, I assume. This can also be assumed for the clock and network flyouts being missing in here, unlike Windows Vista's, which shows brief information about what's been highlighted by the cursor. Clicking the clock does nothing until you double click it, and clicking the network icon opens the network and sharing center. Heading back to the Start menu, although it seems like it's complete, it's actually not. This can be seen with the search and games items showing this warning instead for quote-unquote accuracy. But by triggering via run dialog, Games Explorer is missing due to Windows 10 removes the feature by version 18.03. And search was missing its advanced tooltip at the top. Moving to Windows Explorer, from the first look, this is closely similar to Windows Vista, with the favorite links at the upper left, the categorization at the top, and the details pane at the bottom, and also the command bar, despite the command bar not having its icons before the text. And looking at the system icons, most of them are changed to Windows Vistas, whilst small parts are still using light versions. In the other side, Arrow is available in this mod thanks to the DWM Blur Glass project over on GitHub. The project really makes its way to replicate Arrow in Windows 10, even though the caption box size is a bit larger than in Windows Vista. Next, Control Panel. We can see that the task pane's color variant has been changed to use Windows Vistas, and it incorporates the classic and category view options like in Vista. The category view lacks the system and maintenance as it is merged as system and security like in Windows 7 onwards. The classic view uses tile view rather than large icons like in Windows Vista. One thing that I noticed is that the speech recognition lacks its proper thorough tutorial like what Windows Vista has. Sad face. Sound scheme has been changed to Windows Vistas. Windows Vista's sample media is also available in here. Several Vista exclusive applications are available such as DVD Maker, Movie Maker, Calendar, and Fax and Scan, which doesn't have major changes, even up to Windows 10. System applications are also available such as Classic Task Manager, Command Prompt with its font, and WordPad. This mod also utilizes the Arrow Alt-Tab interface with its transparency. The copy file dialog is also using Windows Vista's dialog. As this is based on Windows 10 2022 update, you can see that I can spawn Windows 10 settings. Modern applications can be installed in here. For example, this UPDF app that I've been using for the past 2 weeks. Several applications are also from Windows 10 that sort of fits to Windows Vista, although it sort of not, such as Snipping Tool, Paint, which came from Windows 7, and Magnifier, which uses modern Windows 10 graphics. Windows 10 features such as Task View are still left in this mod, which unfortunately uses Win plus Tab keyboard shortcut, no Arrow Flip 3D. With these good things and creations, this also comes with bugs and quirks. Some of them are actually weird. Starting from the tolerable one, Welcome Center is missing. And next, no Helper Support Center. Several applications like Windows Media Center, Sound Recorder, and Mail are missing, but that's okay. But Calculator is missing, like, really? Is it like another weird Linux distro that doesn't include Calculator for some reason? I literally have no idea. And the taskbar. Right-clicking the taskbar does display other options such as Properties and Task Manager like Windows 11. Windows and number keys shortcut is not functional. I don't know if this is retrobus limitations or not. And the most bothering one is DWM Blur Glass app that just keeps randomly crashing like this, and this, and this. I use this mod with real hardware using Windows to Go, so this is not a virtual machine issue. But perhaps as DWM Blur Glass continues its development, the crashing issue may be fixed in the future. For now, if you want to experience Windows Vista with Windows 10, you can definitely use this mod, whilst also waiting for more updates to get more fixes down the line, like what this Windows 10 to 7 has, by checking out this video. Meanwhile, thank you to my supporters making this video possible, and also don't forget to check out this video.